Hello everyone, greetings to all. Today we are discussing the Assistant Professor History 2018 exam in College Cadre. So let's start the HPGS portion. 81. In which year was Treaty of Lahore signed between the British government and the Sikhs, by which the Sikhs ceded to the British all their territories south of the Satluj? Treaty of Lahore signed on 9 March 1846. So option C is correct. And the ruler of Sikh at that time is Maharaja Dalip Singh, who signed this treaty with Britishers on 9 March 1846. 82. Which Raja of Kangra princely state took shelter in British territory when pressured by Maharaja Ranjit Singh to marry his sister to the son of Dhyan Singh? रियासत के किस राजा ने अपना सम्मान बचाने के लिए महाराजा रंजीत सिंह द्वारा उस पर अपनी बहन की शादी ध्यान सिंह के बेटे से करने के दबाव से छुटकारा पाने के लिए ब्रिटिश क्षेत्र में शरण ली? तो ये राजा थे कांगड़ा के अनिरुद्ध चंद. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. 83. Given below are the names of some rivers and their tributaries. Find the mismatch. Tantgiri is tributary of river Ravi, correct. Harla is tributary of river Byas, right. Andhra is tributary of Yamuna, not Satluj. So option C is correct for this question. Andhra basically tributary of Pabbar, and Pabbar is tributary of Tons, and then Tons is tributary of river Yamuna. So option C is mismatch. Correct answer is option C for this question. 84. With which princely state were the painters Pandit Seou, Manku and Nansuk associated? These painters associated with Guler princely state. Option A is correct. 85. In which month is Fulej festival celebrated? Fulej festival is celebrated in Kinnaur region of Himachal Pradesh in Bhadon or Asoj month. Option C is correct. 86. Animals of which century move into Rakshan Chitkul and Talra centuries? So the wildlife sanctuary is Daranghati, which is located in Shimla district. Rakshan Chitkul sanctuary is in Kinnaur district, and Talra sanctuary is also in Shimla district. Churdhar wildlife sanctuary is in Sirmaur. Bandli wildlife sanctuary is in Mandi district, and Khokhan wildlife sanctuary is in Kullu district. Right answer is Daranghati. 87. When was Judicial Commissioners Court of Himachal Pradesh replaced by Himachal Bench of Delhi High Court at Shimla? So this was replaced on 1st May 1967. Which of the following hydropower projects in Himachal Pradesh is at present under the pre-feasibility stage? These are the projects under pre-feasibility stage. Here you can see. So the correct answer is Sechu for 90 questions. Right answer is Sechu. This power project is in Chamba district. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us.